Sheikh, can you please tell us all we need to know about Itikaf, like when we start, when we end, and what are things that we can do and cannot do? Please, Barakallahu Feek.
Again, this is too generic, but in a nutshell, you should go to Itikaf after the sunset of the 20th day of Ramadan. When the 20th day of Ramadan has set, you enter your Itikaf and stay there until the Eid is established. So if it is the 29th of Ramadan, the sun sets, after a couple of hours they've sighted the crescent, then you go back, go out of the masjid and go home. What to do? You try your level best to stay in seclusion. Devote your time in these 9 or 10 days to praying on time, reciting the Quran, making dhikr, being alone. This is a quality time. People have meditation, people have their own projects and missions to cleanse their souls. In Islam, we don't have this issue of meditation. We have Itikaf, where you go and seclude yourself and try your level best to devote the whole time for worshiping Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, some people defy this purpose by taking their laptops, their PDAs, their smartphones, and engaging 24/7 on everything that is usually haram outside, let alone in the masjid. Some people even run their businesses and sell their stocks and buy new stocks from the masjid and saying, no, we're in Itikaf. This is not Itikaf. Yes, you may chit-chat with a brother for 10 minutes every few hours just to refresh. You may engage in things that are beneficial. Kids come over to greet you and give salam. This is mubah, this is permissible, as in the hadith of Mother Safiya, who came to the masjid while the Prophet was in Itikaf, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. He spoke to her for a while and then he went out with her to walk her back to her home. So such errands, such meetings for a legitimate reason is permissible. What's not permissible is to waste your time in things that are not related to ibadah, is to have intercourse or be intimate with the wife, is to go out of the masjid unnecessarily, such as to follow a funeral to its burial place or to visit someone who's sick. All of this is not part of the sunnah and is not part of i'tikaf, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.